So I want to quickly show you guys a quick tutorial on how to create a die cut tag from our pencil tag. The advantage of a square or rectangular tag is tremendous cost savings. So, and then if you want to die cut, it's very time consuming. So this is kind of like a hybrid way. And so in order to create this, it's very simple. All I'm going to do is cut the white off. So it's a couple of snips, not too much time, and you're not going to pay any more than you would for a rectangular tag, and it's really, really cute like that. And then I want to show you how you can attach that to a box with the loop. This is our 4.5 by 4.5 inch box, and I've used a 10-inch stretch loop there, and I'm just going to snip here so that there's a little snip right in there. And then most people, if you want to put it off to the side like this so the cookie's not being covered, it's like that. You can position this over here. I'm not sure how good this would look, but you could also put it down here. So I don't like that quite as much. That's preference. And then the other thing, most of our tags don't come. This is the first style that we had pre-punched. And so send us messages or leave us comments about how you like it. But the main reason is people like to glue them on the outside of these type of boxes. And then if it's glued on with a hot glue gun, then there's a hole here. So usually we don't have it, but if you prefer it with a hole, we can certainly add that and there would be no extra cost to you. So that's how you create a die cut tag, and that's how you attach these tags to a box with a loop. Thanks for watching.